Okay, tell me what today's beauty standards are. Is it to look thin? Is it to look curvy? Long hair, short hair? Because let me tell you, it doesn't matter. And in 10 years, it's not gonna matter at all. It's gonna change completely. Welcome back to Trending Now. I'm your host Sangamata, and before I tell you why I got into that rant just now, I want you to like, share, comment and subscribe to Radio 1 International. Nicole Kidman, growing up, apparently she was teased a lot for being the height that she is, and she recently spoke about it in an interview. She said she wanted to be 5'2", she wanted to be curvy, and a lot of people told her that she wouldn't be able to get a career. And look at her now, she is so successful in her career and girls would just die to look like her, am I right? Next up, Taylor and Travis are getting married. Okay, there are some sources where Taylor is talking about getting serious, right? And she wants to move on to the next era in her life. And she also mentioned that she wants to settle down after her tour. Talk about moving fast. You think she has commitment issues? No, commitment issues is scared of her. So Taylor and Travis started dating back in 2023 summer, and yeah, they've been pretty open about their relationship to the point where people were even talking about whether the relationship is part of a contract, right? But if she is getting married, Swifties don't expect another album. Okay, now let's talk about some not so fun news. Sean P. Diddy, he got arrested and he's detained and he's on trial for charges like sex trafficking and prostitution. There was a raid that happened at his house recently and they found like 1,000 bottles of baby oil. Oh my god, that is just so gross. He sounds like the Epstein of the music industry, but basically he used to host these like freak off parties, that's what they were called, and he would basically engage in these sex performances and he would force women to take part in them. So he proposed a bond with his family for $50 million and it got rejected, rightfully so. Sean Diddy, no more freak off parties, only for you. Alright, thank you so much for watching today's Trending Now. Make sure you like, share, comment and subscribe to Radio 1 International, and I will see you guys in the next Trending Now. Bye-bye!
94.3 Radio 1.